AI for small biz game-changing strategies. In an era where technological supremacy defines market dominators, artificial intelligence, or AI, has emerged not just as a tool for the behemoths of business, but as a transformative ally for the ambitious underdog. The democratization of AI presents a golden opportunity for small businesses to level the playing field, turning data into decisions and insights into action. Yet, while tales of innovation weave through the corridors of Silicon Valley giants, small businesses often find themselves grappling with the double-edged sword of opportunity versus feasibility. AI, once a distant spectre on the horizon, is now knocking on the doors of local enterprises, offering a tantalizing edge, if only they can reach it. Imagine a local bakery that predicts daily demand with pinpoint accuracy, reducing waste while never falling short during peak hours, or a small online retailer that deploys chatbots to enhance customer service, operating with the precision and courtesy of a Fortune 500 company's call center. These aren't just possibilities. They are realities that are within reach for today's savvy small business owner. This essay unpacks how SMEs can harness AI, not just to compete, but to lead in their markets. AI and the small business, more than just buzzwords. In the high-stakes game of modern commerce, artificial intelligence has become a crucial player. For small businesses, AI's allure is not in its complexity or exclusivity, but in its profound capability to provide insights and automate tasks which were previously unthinkable without significant investment. Decoding jargons and myths around AI is the first step towards its adoption. Unlike large corporations, small businesses possess agility, but often lack the buffer of vast capital reserves. This segment necessitates a clearer understanding and a targeted approach to AI integration, focusing on immediate ROI and direct improvements to customer engagement or operational hurdles. Harnessing AI can be as straightforward as adopting cloud-based CRM systems integrated with AI to forecast sales trends, or as intricate as using machine learning algorithms to optimize supply chains. This dual approach to AI utilization is crucial for realistic, sustainable integration in small businesses. Capital and complexity. The AI entry barriers for small businesses. The primary hurdles for small business AI adoption often boil down to two main components: capital and complexity. Many small business owners perceive AI technology as a high-cost venture, primarily due to initial investment and the perceived requirements for expert manpower to manage AI systems. However, the reality is quite different, with the advent of as-a-service platforms which have significantly lowered the barrier to entry. For example, AI tools like automated customer support bots or inventory management systems are now available on subscription models, making them more accessible to businesses with limited budgets. Overcoming complexity involves demystifying AI. Training sessions, online resources, and community engagements can greatly assist small business owners to better understand and thus leverage AI tools effectively. Strategy 1. AI for enhanced customer experiences. Improving customer experience is one of the most impactful ways small businesses can utilize AI. By leveraging AI-powered chatbots, personalized product recommendations, and automated customer support, small businesses can offer a level of service comparable to their larger counterparts. Implementing AI in customer interactions not only enhances efficiency, but also builds deeper customer relationships. A simple AI chatbot can handle inquiries and bookings, freeing up human resources for more complex customer needs. This not only improves operational efficiency, but also ensures that customers feel valued and well cared for, fostering loyalty and repeat business. Furthermore, AI can analyze customer data to provide personalized experiences. For instance, AI algorithms can suggest products based on past purchases, enhancing the shopping experience and increasing sales. This approach not only meets customer expectations but often exceeds them, creating a competitive edge for small businesses. Strategy 2. Optimizing operational efficiency with AI. AI's potential to streamline operations is particularly transformative for small businesses, where resource constraints often limit growth and efficiency. From inventory management to financial forecasting, AI can automate and optimize a range of back-end processes. One practical example is the use of AI in inventory management. AI systems can predict stock requirements based on trend analysis, helping businesses maintain optimal inventory levels. This not only reduces the capital tied up in excess stock, but also minimizes the risk of stockouts during critical sales periods. Additionally, AI can enhance financial management through predictive analytics, offering small businesses critical foresight into cash flow, expense trends, and financial anomalies. This enables better decision-making and strategic planning, key areas where small businesses often struggle due to limited financial expertise. Strategy 3. AI-driven marketing and sales insights. In the digital age, marketing and sales strategies are increasingly data-driven. AI excels in analyzing large datasets to glean insights that human analysis could miss, such as subtle patterns in customer behavior or emerging market trends. By implementing AI in their marketing strategies, small businesses can personalize campaigns to a degree that significantly enhances engagement and conversion rates. For example, AI can optimize email marketing campaigns by determining the best times to send emails, predicting which content will engage different segments, and initiating dynamic content strategies. Moreover, AI-powered analytics can help small businesses identify the most effective sales channels, optimize pricing strategies, and even predict market changes. This kind of intelligence allows small businesses to allocate their limited marketing budgets more effectively, ensuring higher ROI on every dollar spent. Lessons from the field. Case studies of small businesses thriving with AI. Real-world examples provide invaluable insights into the practical benefits of AI. Consider the case of a boutique fashion retailer, which implemented an AI-based recommendation engine on their e-commerce platform. This move increased their conversion rates by 30% within the first 6 months by offering personalized shopping experiences to customers. Another example is a small manufacturing firm that used AI to optimize their production processes. By integrating AI into their operations, they reduced waste by 20% and shortened their production cycles, leading to faster market delivery and better customer satisfaction. These case studies not only demonstrate the tangible benefits of AI, but also illustrate how small businesses in various sectors can adapt and thrive by strategically implementing AI technologies. Overcoming the challenges. Practical steps to AI adoption. Adopting AI does not have to be an overwhelming leap into the unknown. Small businesses can take practical, incremental steps towards integrating AI into their operations. Starting with off-the-shelf AI solutions tailored to small businesses can minimize both cost and complexity. Engaging with tech consultants, attending AI workshops, and joining industry-specific online forums are excellent ways for small business owners to gain the necessary knowledge and confidence to embrace AI. Furthermore, pilot projects can be an effective way to test AI solutions with minimal risk before full-scale implementation. Conclusion. Embracing AI. Embracing the future. Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic concept, but a present-day tool that small businesses must embrace to remain competitive. By enhancing customer experiences, optimizing operations, and providing invaluable marketing insights, AI can fundamentally transform a small business. The journey towards AI integration is paved with challenges, but also with considerable opportunities. With the right strategies, practical approaches, and continuous learning, small businesses can not only implement AI effectively, but can set new standards in innovation and customer satisfaction in their industries. As we look to the future, the message is clear. For small businesses, the time to adopt AI is now. The analysis and recommendations provided in this essay encapsulate the journey of AI adoption for small businesses. It is designed not merely to inspire, but to practically guide the small business owner through the nuances of leveraging AI effectively. As businesses look forward, the adoption of AI isn't just an advantage, it's a necessity to thrive in an increasingly digital market landscape.